Dear children, as we discussed earlier video, what are the rational numbers, what are the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers, and we discussed about how the rational numbers are there and what are the rational numbers, and we also completed do this. Now we going to discuss about try this. So it is very easy. Now as you know that natural numbers are denoted by n and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that, those are natural numbers, and whole numbers are starts from 0. Whole numbers, it is denoted by w and it starts from 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 like that, so on. And similarly integers denoted by I, and these numbers are 0, positive numbers, negative numbers. What are positive numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 like that, so on. And similarly on left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 like that to the left side. So 0, positive numbers, negative numbers, all together are integers. And what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are denoted by q, and these are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not is equal to 0. So any rational number is in the form of p by q. Okay, those are rational numbers. Now we are going to discuss about to try this. In this there are two questions. The first question is, Hamid says that 5 by 3 is a rational number and 5 is only natural number. Hamid says, he says that 5 by 3 is only a rational number and 5 is natural number, he says. And Shika says that both 5 by 3 and 5 both are rational numbers. With whom do you agree? So Hamid says 5 by 3 is rational number and 5 is natural number. Shika says both are rational numbers. So which one is right? With whom do you agree? So that is the question. So here if we see this 5 by 3, it is in the form of p by q, numerator by denominator, and this numerator 5, denominator 3, both are integers, and this 3 is not is equal to 0. So it is a rational number. Okay. Now what about 5? 5 is equal to 5 by 1, or we can write 10 by 2, or we can write 15 by 3 like that. So 5 is equal to 5 by 1, 10 by 2, 15 by 3 like that we can write in many ways. Okay. Therefore this 5 is also in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and this denominator q not is equal to 0. So it satisfies, this 5 satisfies the definition of a rational number. Therefore 5 is also a rational number. So therefore we have to agree. We agree with the Shika. Shika says both are rational numbers. So here 5 by 3 and 5 are also both are rational numbers. So I agree with Shika. Now second question, give an example to satisfy the following statements. So we have to give the examples for the following statement. What are the statements? There are 3 statements. What are those statements? All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are need not be natural numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are need not be natural numbers. So that is the statement. To satisfy this statement, we have to give an example. Okay, what are natural numbers and what are whole numbers? If you observe both the natural numbers and whole numbers, in natural numbers it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that, and in whole numbers it starts from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So all the numbers which are here are also present in the whole number set. Only this is the number which is whole number but not a natural number. So to satisfy this statement, we have to give an example. What is that example? 0 is the only whole number which is not a natural number. So that is the example to satisfy this statement. 0 is only whole number which is not a natural number. So this is the, to satisfy this one, this is the answer. Now second one, all whole numbers are integers, but all integers need not be whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers, but all integers need not be whole numbers. Now observe these whole numbers and integers. So all whole numbers are integers. Yes, 0 whole number, also integer. 1 is a whole number, also integer. 2 is a whole number, also integer. So all these whole numbers are present in integer set. But 0, minus 1 is the only integer which is not whole number. Minus 2 is the only integer which is not whole number. If you observe these all negative numbers, are only integers but not whole numbers. So to satisfy this statement, we may give any one of this negative number. We can give any one of the negative number as example. So example, minus 4 is integer but not a whole number. Minus 4 in integer but not a whole number. Now third statement, all integers are rational numbers but all rational numbers need not be integers. What is the third statement? All integers are rational numbers but all rational numbers need not be integers. Yes. Take 5 by 3. This 5 by 3 is the only rational number but not integer. This 5 by 3 is not in the integer number set. So not only 5 by 3, if you take any one number which is in the form of p by q, where this p and q, the numerator and denominator are co-primes, then that will definitely a rational number but not integer. Okay. So take another example, 6 by 5. It is a rational number but not integer. 7 by 8. It is an integer. It is a rational number but not integer. So like that, all these are rational numbers but not integers. So therefore we can give an example. Okay. So 5 by 6 is rational number but not integer. Okay.